Of course not. It would have fell off or something.
This guy's funny. I want to talk to him. Oh my God.
Look, a cow. That cow is gigantic. Like, I'm looking at the other cow.
Come on, stop you freaking motorcycle. I want to see your badass thing go down again.
Isn't that crazy? I've never seen that before.
Oh, he's stopping. He's stopping. Oh, no, never mind.
That is insane. He's got a cup holder. That shit's a Cadillac. Oh my gosh, love it. Dude, yes. Absolutely. Everybody should have one of those.
I'd love to see who made this motorcycle.
Oh, that thing is sick. That is the craziest thing I've ever seen. I gotta tell Pop about this.
Oh, come on, Talon. I'm trying to get it.
I've been trying to get that picture for mad long. It's not my problem.
I'm not taking a picture. I'm recording it.
Are you serious? That's gonna be a boring video. He's still not gonna stop. It's a green light, dude.
I want him to stop.
I'll still walk.
Bye.
No, damn it, no. Come on.